What's up, guys? You're watching Everything Weapons. Welcome back to the channel. So the U.S. Air Force discloses B-2 can launch stealth anti-ship missiles in surprise announcement. So pairing LRASM with the B-2 stealth bomber creates a powerful, penetrating, fleet-killing combination, especially in the broad expanses of the Pacific. So this is from thewarzone.com. So one of the U.S. Air Force's B-2 bombers fired an AGM-158C long-range anti-ship missile, or LRASM, during a recent live fire sinking exercise in the Western Pacific. The stealthy LRASM was not previously known to be in the B-2's arsenal of capable weapons to fire. Integration of the AGM-158C offers a huge boost in capability for the B-2 stealth bomber and just power overall, creating a penetrating fleet-killing platform that could be especially valuable in a future high-end fight in the Pacific against China. So the Pacific Air Forces successfully conducted a live fire sinking exercise using the B-2 Spirit north of the Mariana Islands. The B-2 deployed the long-range anti-ship missile, demonstrating enhanced ability to achieve strategic objectives within range of potential threats, according to a press release today from Pacific Air Forces. With the deployment of the LRASM from the B-2 Spirit, the Pacific Air Forces takes a major step forward in countering maritime threats. This milestone showcased impressive high-end innovation, reinforcing the U.S. military's commitment to safeguarding national interests and maintaining global security. So the release does not provide any further details about the operations and testings that they're doing, but the B-2 fired the LRASM at the ex-USS Juno ship, a decommissioned Austin-class amphibious warfare ship, as part of Exercise Valiant Shield 2026. U.S. and allied forces taking part in the exercise pummeled the Juno with various munitions this weekend, sending it to the bottom of the Pacific, roughly 200 nautical miles off the coast of Guam. An unnamed Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force submarine appears to have delivered the final blow with a heavyweight torpedo. The B-2's involvement was not mentioned until today. Boy, would it be fun to be that B-2 pilot there, doing the test with this new capability. So thank you guys very much for watching. Drop a like, subscribe, ring the bell. That way you don't miss any videos I post in the future. Check out my older videos on the channel as well. And if you want to stay up to date, just show any support. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care.